Hello and welcome to the new episode of nnLAB3, the Negotiation Nuggets new format, interactive format in this new year where you and your teams lead negotiations. This week's theme centers around hesitation in claiming value once you have successfully collaborated and expanded the pie. There are sales leaders, there are negotiators who hesitate claiming the rightful value. By the way, which option did you choose from, A, B, or C? If you closely look at option A, which is potentially a dangerous trap, what if the other side quotes a price point of say $150,000? For rest of the negotiation, you'd struggle to even go up closer to your break-even point, which is internally estimated to be 400,000 USD as minimum acceptable pricing. So a very potential trap. Look at the contrast with option C, which sounds like arbitrary. You are dropping up a number 600,000 USD and then you are suggesting that you are open for bargain. Quite a salesy pitch, not convincing. So both these options A and C are suboptimal. Think about option B. That's where master negotiator start claiming value by attaching it with the expanded pie or the value generated, collaboratively created. In this case, a potential saving of $1.2 million over a period of 1 year, and you have asked them for a 450,000 USD for the platform. Just kind of a little bit of concession in exchange of value trade-off. You are well poised for a 400,000 internal mark. Always remember, any kind of value claiming, or even if you want to anchor it, we'll talk in subsequent episodes about anchoring effect. Even if you want to anchor high, always have a very legitimate attachment or a linkage with the expanded value that you have co-created with the other side. That's the way you should claim value and drop off a number confidently. I'm sure with this episode, your teams will be much more cautious, much more deliberate and assertive in claiming value where they have successfully co-created value with the other side. For episodes such as this, for tools such as this, I invite you to set up a 30 minutes discovery call by clicking on the link below, and we will get to speaking as to how do we take your team's negotiation capabilities to the next level. I promise your team's negotiation abilities would never be the same again. Thank you for watching this episode of nnLAB3. I look forward to welcoming you to the next episode. Until then, claim value judiciously, assertively, and fairly. Thank you.